There are many ways to make money online, and the best approach for you will depend on your skills, interests, and the amount of time you can invest. Here are some popular ways to make money online.
Freelancing. You can offer your skills and services online, such as writing, graphic design, web development, video editing, or virtual assistants. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com can help you connect with potential clients. Online surveys and market research. Companies pay individuals to complete surveys and participate in market research to gather feedback on their products or services. Sites like SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and Vindale Research offer opportunities to earn money through these activities. Affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services on your website or social media. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students. Sites like Chegg and Tutorum can help you find clients. Sell products online. You can sell physical or digital products online, either through your own website or through marketplaces like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon. Online content creation. If you have a talent for creating online content like YouTube videos, podcasts, or social media posts, you can earn money through advertising revenue, sponsorships, or by selling your own products. Virtual events. With the pandemic, virtual events are becoming more popular, and you can offer your services for virtual event production, management, and hosting. Remember that making money online takes effort and dedication, and it's important to approach each opportunity with a critical eye to avoid scams and protect your personal information.